Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Today I'm going to share with you all 3 foods which you can eat for breakfast regularly to delay aging and gives you healthy body. 1. Sweet potatoes. Having sweet potatoes for breakfast is a really healthy way to start the day. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, sweet potatoes stimulate the production of collagen and help minimize wrinkles. Beta-carotene present in sweet potatoes is a power source that can keep your skin young and prevent the appearance of wrinkles. It helps promote cell regeneration, neutralize free radicals, and restore your skin's elasticity. 2. Oats. Oats are a great anti-aging food for the body. Oatmeal is great for promoting digestive health, as it contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help strengthen your gut, bind soluble fiber, and bulk up your stool, which helps you having regular and healthy bowel movements. Digestion actually plays a big role in the appearance of your skin, as having clean and healthy digestive system can help to remove toxins from your body, which helps to delay skin aging effectively. It is best to choose steel-cut oats or raw oats, as they are minimally processed and contain most fiber and nutrients. 3. Beans. All types of beans are good sources of protein, excellent sources of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, and are naturally fat-free and cholesterol-free. Beans can help to keep you full and focused all morning long. Most beans are high in antioxidants, which can boost collagen production and delay aging to give your skin a healthy glow and elasticity. 4. Eggs. Eggs are one of the few foods that should be classified as superfoods, as it contains nearly all the essential vitamins and nutrients you need for good health and healthy-looking skin. Eggs contain all the essential amino acids in the right ratio. Amino acids help to strengthen the immune system, maintain the skin's hydration, resilience, and an overall healthy appearance. They protect skin from free radical damage and reduce signs of aging too. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.